On March 9th, we'll be covering the topic of water, the first workshop in the series of 5-element workshops. For this workshop, we will be studying the nature of water, the actual embodied quality, as it relates to a stage in any dynamic process, and then we'll bring it home to the human developmental life cycle. We will explore from a Western developmental psychological point of view the quality of consciousness associated with water, as well as the developmental tasks that are associated with that phase. We will study the emotion related to that phase, as well as its functional expression and how the emotion transmutes into the virtue. So for water, it's fear. The virtue is wisdom. So we'll study how water and fear becomes wisdom. We'll also study the yin-yang aspects of water and the psychospiritual issues associated with water. Thanks, and I hope you can join us on March 9th.